Today we're going to take a quick look at the new rule set feature found within BluePoint Security 2010. Let's go ahead and open up the interface, and you can find the rule set feature under History, Rule Set. And there's a quick explanation here that sort of explains the feature and how it works. Basically, you're allowed to drag application shortcuts, so we'll drag Adobe Reader in here. There's an option, virus scan each file. Obviously, if BluePoint needs to check each file, it takes a little longer to add it to the grid. Just for the video here, we'll turn that off. Obviously, that speeds it up quite a bit. So what you can see happened here is everything found within the Adobe Reader folder has been added to our rule set as an allow. So it's very simple and easy to use. You can drag multiple shortcuts. You can drag network shortcuts. You can even drag specific applications unless they're already in your rule set. Let's see here. Yep, regedit. So you can drag a specific program. I could highlight all these items and dump those in there. The purpose of the feature is to give you a quick and easy way to add programs that you want BluePoint to basically leave alone into the rule set. The other interesting thing about this is it gives you the ability when we run something such as this. Let's say we make a deny decision on that application. So you can see that that rule was auto-created as a deny. Now, of course, if we try to run the application, BluePoint's going to silently block it and not allow that application to execute. We can easily come in here and change our mind at any time, and then there you go. So our application now is allowed to run, change it back, blocked again. So that's pretty self-explanatory as far as the rules go. If you create an allow rule, the same thing happens. Everything you do automatically creates a rule. That way you can come in here if you change your mind on an application. You can import and export rules. So if you ever wanted to back up your rule set, you can just simply come in here, export. It'll just export it as a DAT file. We'll go ahead and do it here. It names it as the name of the host name on the computer. So we'll save that. There's our rule set. We'll clear them out. And then you'll do import. Browse over to our recently exported rule set here. And there we go. We're right back to where we were. So it gives you an easy way. If you have 5 or 6 computers at home, like some of us do, you can create a rule set on one computer, and then you could pop it on your USB drive and then import that rule set on some of the other computers. So it gives you a nice granular control over sort of what's going on and what's allowed to execute on your computer. The other thing that you can do with the rule set, one of the ways that I use it, let's clear it back out. Let's say we were going to install Flash here. When we install Flash, BluePoint's going to automatically allow that as a trusted vendor. You can also see that BluePoint is automatically, while it's in this install mode, is automatically creating rules for the various associated components of Flash. We hit close. BluePoint should automatically realize that you're done installing a program, and that window will go away. You can also, of course, close it out manually. And so we have a rule for the Flash installer. So if you're to install a larger program, every piece of the actual install will show up here as a rule. So if you install Office or something really large like that, the great thing is BluePoint will automatically go into install mode, automatically create all the rules for you, and it's just as simple as that. So the really nice thing about this feature is it gives you the security of a lockdown approach, which is whitelisting, with the ease of use of something that automatically detects your installers, automatically creates the rules for you, and automatically checks all the files that go into your rule set that they're clean. So that's it for today. We just wanted to show you some of the new features in BluePoint and check out our other videos. We'll have a few more coming out here at the same time to explain some of the newer features you may not have even noticed are there. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.